Okay, Chapter 4, Getting and Managing Data. I'm going to open the SimBook, go to the second page, scroll down till I see Let Me Try. I'm going to the Let Me Try. And step 1, format the selected data as a table with white, table style, light 1 with headers. Show the hint. Click the Format as Table button under the Home tab, Styles group. Home, Styles. Format as table. All right, we need to find white, style light 1. There it is, the first one. Verify that my table has headers. Okay, it's clicked. And then click OK. Next, Let Me Try. I'm going to click on Let Me Try. Use the Table Design tab to change the style of the table to white, table style light 15. Show the hint. Click the More button, Table Design tab, Table Styles group. All right, we're in Table Design. More. White table style, light 15. And there it is. Again, I'm going to click the Let Me Try. Add a total row to the table and add a count calculation to the location column. All right, the hint. Click the total row checkbox under Table Design tab, Table Style Options group. So here, click the cell, drop down arrow, and select count. Total row. Click cell B31. Click the cell drop down and select count. All right, Let Me Try. Remove the duplicates in the selected table based on the rental name and location columns. Show hint. Click the Remove Duplicates button. Go to Table Design tab, Tools group, Remove Duplicates, and make sure only the rental name and location checkboxes are selected. So we're going to uncheck these. Scroll down, uncheck, uncheck. Okay. And okay. Remove 2 duplicates from the chart. Add a slicer based on the location columns. Set the slicer to light blue, slicer style light 5. Show the hint. Click the Insert Slicer button. So that's in the Table Design tab under Tools. Go here. Insert. Select Location. Click OK. All right, click the More button. More. Slicer. Under Light, they want 2, 3, 4, 5. Light blue, slicer style, light 5. All right. Again, let me try. Convert the selected table back to a range. Show hint. Click the Convert to Range button under Table Design tab, Tools. Table Design, Tools. Convert to Range. Click Yes. All right, we're in Skill 7. Click on Let Me Try. Create a conditional formatting rule to format cells that are less than 250 with light red fill with dark red text. Show the hint. Click the Conditional Formatting button. Point to highlighted cells rules and select Less Than in the format cells that are less than box type 250. Click OK. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. Highlight cell rules. Less than. $2.50. Light red fill with dark red text. Click OK. Skill 8. Add a top 10% highlight rule to the selected cells. Show the hint. Click the Quick Analysis button. Choose top 10%. Okay. Quick Analysis button. Top 10%. Skill 9. Add the default icon set to the current selection. Hint, click the Quick Analysis button. Select Icon Set in the Formatting section. Quick Analysis button. Icon Set. Skill 10. Sort the data for the selected cell from A to Z. Click the Sort A to Z button under the Data tab. Sort and Filter. Sort. And you can do A to Z. All right, Skill 11. Sort the selected data first by state on values from A to Z, and then by bedrooms on values from largest to smallest. At a third sort level, sort by baths on values from largest to smallest. Hint, navigate to the Data tab. Okay. Click the Sort button. Click Sort by arrow and select State. Choose Values and A to Z for order. Click Add Level. Click Then By. Choose Values and sort largest to smallest. Click Add Level. Then by arrow, select Baths. Choose Values and largest to smallest. Click OK. Skill 12. Filter the data on Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri in the state column. Click the Filter button, Data tab, Sort and Filter. Click the Auto Filter arrow for the state. Deselect all the data types by clicking Select All. Select Michigan, Minnesota, and Missouri, and click OK. Add subtotals at each change in state to the days rented last year and at $225 column using the sum function. Hint, click the subtotal button, go to the Data tab, Outline Group, Subtotal, click at each change in arrow and choose State. In the Add Subtotal to List box, select Days rented last year and click OK. All right, we're going to import text for .txt to the workbook at the current location. Click the From Text CSV button. This is under the Data tab. Get and Transform Data group. Select Import Text from Text. Import. Click Import. Click the Load arrow. Load to. Select Existing Worksheet. Confirm cell A5 as the location. Click OK. Export the file as a tab delimited text file with the current name in the Documents folder. Click our Hint button. Click the File tab. Select Export. Select Change File Type. Select Text, tab delimited as a file type. Click Save As. Accept the name file for the text. Click Save. Click OK. Skill 16. Add the email address in the current cell. Start adding the email address and use flash fill to complete the column. Show the hint. Type in this box B dot Francine at ourcompany.com. Enter. Press enter. Add a new recommended pivot table showing the sum of average 225 by state. Click the recommended pivot table. Insert tab. Tables group. Locate and click the sum of average 225 by state. Click OK. Skill 18. Add the days rented last year field to the bottom of the values area. Click and drag days rented last year field from the Choose Fields to Add a Report group to the bottom of the values area in the pivot table fields, below the sum of average 225 field. Okay. Skill 19. Set the pivot table to white pivot style light 22. Add banded rows and banded columns to the pivot table. Show the hint. Click the Pivot Table Design tab. Design. Click the More button in the Pivot Table Styles. Select the white pivot table style, light 22. Right here. Select banded rows and select banded columns. Skill 20, add grand totals for the end of the pivot table columns, but not rows. Show the hint. Click the Pivot Table Design. Click Grand Totals button in the Layout group. Select On for columns only. Insert a calculated field named Estimated based on the average 225 field increased by 8%. Hint. Click the Fields, Items, and Sets button in the Pivot Table Analyze tab. Calculations group. Field, Items, and Sets. Select Calculated Field. Type estimated in the name box. Delete the 0 and space next to the equal sign. Click average 225. Click insert field. Type times asterisk 108%. Click OK. Last skill, skill 22. Insert a clustered bar pivot chart based on the selected pivot table. Show your hint. Click the pivot table button under Pivot Table Analyze tab. Tools group. Pivot chart. Click the bar category. Select the clustered bar. Click OK. And you're done.